So in this MetaMask tutorial video, I will be showing you guys how to forex trade on the MetaMask application. So once MetaMask is opened up, I'm just going to go to the bottom left here between home and trade and press on explore. Then on this page right here, if I were to go to the top where it says explore, you can go ahead and type in the forex that you want to trade, but also just simplest right here. Scroll down to the bottom to where it says perps and make sure that forex is selected. If I were to go ahead and press perps right here, you can choose what forex you want to trade or I guess buy a long position or a short position on. So in this example, you have the JPY or a euro. So if I were to go to euro right here, you can just scroll down, add some funds to your account first and foremost. Once that is done, press on where it says market insights. Then at the bottom where it says long or short, you can select to buy a long position if you want, or a short position on Forex. So depending on if you think it's going to go up or down, that would obviously factor into your decision. So for this example, I'll show you guys both, but I'll start with long. Once you're on this page in the top right where it says market, you can select your order type, so a market order or a limit order. Once that is done, you can go to leverage right here and you can do more leverage or less leverage. You can also go to where it says auto close, pay with, etc. Go to the bottom, you can see your fees, price, margin, etc. Press on where it says insufficient funds for me to add some funds to your account and proceed that way. And the same thing with the short position here. So you can go ahead and press on short and do the exact same thing. So you can also go back, as I mentioned before, you have the euro or you have the Japanese currency. The JPY in this case as well. So if you want a forex trade, that's how you guys can do it here on MetaMask. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.